welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are great today. On this video I am going to show you how I do my facial skincare nighttime routine, and on how I cleared my acne, scars, and discoloration on my face, most of it. So if you're interested to see how I do this, stay tuned and we'll get this video started. But before I start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment what you think below, and have a lovely day or evening. This is what I use. This is a bar soap, and this is turmeric bar soap. Is it turmeric or turmeric? I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is my turmeric bar soap that I use. It is quite effective in clearing spots and acne and all kinds of things on your face. So what I do is I just run it on the top like so, and I'm just gonna rub it on my face, all over my face. I'm making sure that I avoid my eyes completely because it does really sting. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my Sonic, it's called Rio Sonic Cleanse. I'm gonna put the description I'm gonna put the information about it on the description box below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just run some of the soap on this so that it will be able to lather when I use it. So now it's got two different ways of using it. If you charge it, you can use it electronically, or you can just use it manually. So sometimes when I can't be asked, or if I haven't charged it, I'll go ahead and use it manually. But when I've charged it, I'll go ahead and press there, as you can see, and it has got two settings, and it does really do the job very well. So this is what I do, a good 3 minutes maximum. My neck area, everywhere. My A zone is always the oily bit, so it needs that extra moisture, and not forgetting my lips. And once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. It is also water resistant, so you can use it in the shower, which I do most days. Once I'm happy with my face, thoroughly washed, and I'll obviously pat it dry, then I'm gonna go ahead with my Cynic. Don't know if you can see it properly. It's just the sticker that's making it look a little bit iffy. Cynic All Day Fine Pore Mask Cleanser. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it a little bit like this, because it's got a foamy consistency like this. I'm just gonna apply like a mask. It's a mask, a pore mask, or cleanser if you like, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna put it all over my face. Like this. And you're supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it for 5 minutes, and I'll be. So it's already 5 minutes. So what I normally do at this point, I go ahead and use my cotton pad. I do not wash my face up. I just use my cotton pad. I just sort of like wet it up a little bit, and then I start to wipe it all off like this. Just to wipe it all off, because that is the best way to get the result. Right, now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Lange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but something around there. Lange Paris, obviously it's from Paris. It says the path to fair skin, obviously just to get your skin glowing. It's a lightening night cream. It's not harsh. There is no harsh chemical in it. It's all natural ingredients. There is no hydroquinone or whatever it's called, or anything that will irritate your skin, because my skin is very sensitive, so I'm very careful with what I use on this product. Ever since I'm using it, I am so chuffed, like literally it has helped me a lot. It leaves you with that amazing shine when you're done using it. Normally during the daytime I use these ones. This is the dark spot corrector, yeah, with seaweed. Did that focus? I'm hoping. Yeah, dark spot corrector. And I go in with my lightening serum. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, but you get the vibe. So this is what I use during the daytime, and obviously not during the daytime I also go ahead with my Oleology vitamin C serum, and I've got a bit of vitamin E mixed it together here. So I just take a dab of that and a dab of this with dab of vitamin C and E mixed together, and that's what I use to moisturize my face during the day. As you can see, my face is already shiny, having that what you call it, shiny effect. That means it's properly you know, cleansed. But obviously nighttime, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Lange nighttime lightening cream. It's not harsh at all on the skin, so it comes in like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it off. And all you need, this is it, this is the consistency. It's quite thick and creamy, so you don't need this much. You just need probably this much, and I just literally put it on my face, all over the places that needs the attention the most, and I start to massage it in a circular motion. Just like so. Don't forget in my neck area. And the product smells amazing as well. So yeah, that's my face done and ready for the night. So in the morning when I wake up with a glow. That is what I love the most about this product. It gives you that amazing glow while you're sleeping. So that's pretty much what I do. And also before I go as well, I normally just moisturize my lip. This is my papaya and mango glossy lip balm. So basically just apply a good amount on my lips, just to give it that nice moisture over the night. And that's it pretty much. I'm ready for bed. So yeah, that's it really. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to thumbs it up. Subscribe for more videos like this. I've got great ideas I want to share with you guys. If you're interested, let me know in the comment box below. You know, thank you for tuning in again. I hope you have a lovely night, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye. Good night. Thank you.